Question 9, this one's not in equilibrium, this one's actually got a resultant force here, but we're going to split this force 2 up. Force 2 up here, you've got force 2 cos 30 pulling it that way, and we've got force 2 sine 30 pulling it down that way there. So if we look at the horizontal forces, we've got force 1 pulling it right minus force 2 cos 30 there, and we know that that's going to equal, it's going to equal 2 root 3. So then let's look at the vertical forces. Vertical forces, we've got 12 straight up, and then I've got force 2 the sine of 30 going down, and that has to equal 2. Now you know that the sine of 30 is a half here, don't we? So actually we've got 12 minus a half, force 2 equals 2. So that gives me that force 2 is equal to, force 2 is equal to 20, isn't it? If I know that force 2 is equal to 20, I'm going to put that back in the first one, and I've got force 1 is 2 root 3 plus 20 cos 30. And so that tells me that force 1 is going to be equal to, force 1 is equal to 12 root 3. Just tapping that into the calculator. And that's all we have to do, isn't it? Find out those two bits there. If it was slightly more complicated, there might have been a simultaneous equation to solve here, but because the force 1 was only in the vertical direction, we didn't need to do it simultaneously.